Solar Power Part 2. We have talked in the previous tutorial about photovoltaic cells. In the UK, they are only suitable for applications that need small amounts of energy, like calculators and low power garden lighting. In this figure, you will see photovoltaic cells being used to power the Hubble Space Telescope and a motorway emergency telephone in southern Europe. Both are remote locations with plenty of sunlight. These convert solar energy into electrical energy. The other type is solar heating panels. They absorb thermal radiation and use it to heat water. The panels are placed to receive the maximum amount of the sun's energy in in the northern hemisphere. They must face south and be angled so the light falls on them as directly as possible for as long as possible, so they don't convert solar energy into electrical energy. In this figure, you will see solar heating panels. It can be used to heat water even in the UK climate. This is how solar heating panels are designed. They have glass to trap in air layers, copper water pipes with matte black surface braced to a sheet of copper with a matte black surface. And we have a thermal insulation layer faced with reflective foil on both upper and lower surfaces. Water is pumped through copper pipes fixed onto a copper sheet. Now, here there is a note. Copper is used because it is an excellent thermal conductor. The surfaces of the sheet and the pipes have a matte black finish, and this is the best absorber of heat radiation. The glass traps a layer of air above the copper to help insulate the unit and retain the heat, because air is a poor conductor. The backing is also designed to stop heat escaping to the surroundings. This kind of panel is reasonably efficient, and the energy produced is more cost efficient than that from photovoltaic cells. Solar heating panels are used widely to provide water heating. Electricity can also be generated using solar heating. Curved mirrors are used to focus thermal radiation into a boiler or pipes containing water to produce steam. The steam can be used to drive turbines, which can be used to drive electricity generators.